Hello traders, welcome to another segment, welcome to another tutorial, and let's get back to the charts and see what GBP USD is gonna give us this particular morning. All right, so if it's your first time to be on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell, and let's grow this channel. All right, my target is to get to 300 subscribers before the end of August, and please guys, I'm counting on you, make it possible for that to happen. Right, so GBP USD, we're looking for a potential high of the day sell opportunity, and looking at how the market has been structured this morning, price has come to yesterday's high, right, and on Tuesday's high. So I've drawn two lines on my charts. The first line, right, is yesterday's high, and then the second line on top, right, that is Tuesday's high. So what I'm looking at is potentially price to break above Tuesday's high, and once they do that, then we'll be able to see what candlestick patterns they are able to give us. That will give us a reason to look for a potential high of the day sell opportunity. So at this point in time, I'm not gonna look for any buy opportunities because you gotta think like them. Think like a market maker. What are they likely to do? Right? So I will set my sell stops in place in case they get activated, and we'll wait and see if the dealers are going to reward us this morning from a high of the day sell opportunity. And my target is going to be today's London lows. Remember, price break out of the Asian range. They created the law of the day. London created the law of the day. They have pushed the price up. So what I'm looking is New York to lock the high of the day from the previous day's highs on Tuesday's highs, and then we get a potential high of the day sell opportunity. So my sell stops are already in place. My sell stops have been activated. Right? My sell stop has been activated. Right? My stop loss is 10 pips yesterday's high and the previous on Tuesday's high. So let's see. I'm already activated into the market. Let's see if the dealers are gonna reach London lows, because that is where the money is. All right, people have been buying these GBP USD from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right, Thursday. There is money that is trapped under those lows from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. And so today, Friday, they are coming to clear the board and the day into consolidation, and then start back next week, right? So my sell stops have been activated. I'm in the market. Let's observe and see if the dealers are gonna give us our target take profit in place. It's always important to have a target profit in place, right? So if I was scalping, I could be out of the market at this point in time, but I have a target in mind. We just have to wait patiently and let's see how the dealers are playing the board, right? Everything is about patience, waiting for the opportunities to present themselves, and once they do, that is when you come in as an investor and take the opportunities wherever they provide themselves, right? So if you want to be part of our classes and our lessons to get these tutorials in real time, feel free, check in the description box below. You'll get my links. Connect with me on Instagram, connect with me on Telegram. Let's connect, let's communicate, let's make trading be a journey that you're gonna be enjoying, because you're not only gonna be being handled with somebody who understands what the market does, but you'll be in a great community where everyone will be doing something positive for themselves. All right, so GBP USD sell stops have been activated. We're simply waiting for our target profits to be taken off. So anything can happen from here, right? As long as I accepted the sell stops in place, it's been activated, right? There's nothing more that I can do. I already accepted that. Oh, shit. All right, I've been stopped out. My sell stop was activated, and then they came back and stopped me out. Take out my stop loss, and that was the first attempt. I'm looking for the second attempt. Still, I'm looking for the sells. I'm looking for the sells again, and let's see if I'm actually now executing this market with this pin bar. I'm just entering this market with the same stop loss, with the same take profit. I'm entering this market again, and let's see if the dealers are going to reward me again. They have already stopped me out, but I'm going to engage again because I believe this is the dealers sweeping the board, right? They have come down, taken out the people who entered for a buy. They have come up, taken out people who are entered for a sell. So what are they going to do next? I've already entered for a sell. Now let's wait and see. It's the same stop loss. It is the same take profit, right? So let's wait. Let's observe. Let's see what's going to happen again. This is the second attempt again. I only take 3 attempts for the day. So the first attempt, I've been stopped out. The second attempt, let's see how it's going to work out. I can scalp and get out because no, I have a target profit in place. No matter what happens, we just simply have to wait. Right? London lows is my take profit. So no matter how good you are, no matter how good your analysis can be, losses are unavoidable. Remember, I lost the the first trade. They came back and take out my stop loss, right? So we back at it again. Now the process is good. I'm in profits. Whatever I lost has been gained back. And finally, the market got into my target take profit, took me out of the market, and call it a successful trading day. Take lessons from this trade, learn, and see you in the next video.